How are you, my friends? Today I have a very simple question. Do you have poultry in your farm? By this I mean the domestic birds. It may be chicken, ducks, guinea, geese. You may also have like quails and pigeon, and also maybe pheasant or any other domestic bird that is in your farm. I have a very good food supplement that when you use it, I'm telling you, you'll find difference. You'll notice good performance. This food supplement is VENLYTE. VENLYTE, it is okay. Remember that VENLYTE will provide energy and supportive therapy for chicks immediately after they are alive. Maybe 1 day old chick, 2 old chick. Number 2, it will give energy and supportive therapy during so many diseases that affects poultry. And also, you should also remember that it is very good when you find that your poultry, there is some diarrhea, the raw stool in your farm. You'll find that dysentery solution is right here with us. It is VENLYTE. It will maintain correct osmotic pressure and precise acid-based equilibrium. Therefore, VENLYTE is my choice in your poultry. The dosage is very simple. It is very simple. You just mix 10 grams in 5 liters of water, and this will give like 250 birds, or maybe the chicks, that's big birds, or rather 500 the day 2 weeks old chicks. Remember also, these you can also mix to in your feed. You just use 200 grams per 1 ton of feed. Just give it to your chick. VENLYTE powder. It's a water-soluble electrolyte concentrate for poultry, all kind of poultry. Just use this product, and then you'll come and thank me later. Thank you.